Hi guys, I'm back. So I have something special for you guys. I hope you stay there. Don't go nowhere because this is going to be very, very exciting. We're going to go ahead and review the Coldest Water Bottle from the Coldest Water Bottle Company. But before we begin, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that notification bell. What we're going to do is go ahead and review the Coldest Water Bottle. It did arrive today, and I'm so excited to open it. And I really want to thank the Coldest Water Company. And they emailed me. And here it is, you guys. It's right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And you guys are going to be excited too because you know what? There's going to be a lot of fun stuff going on. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start opening this, see what we're getting ourselves into. We're going to do a little bit ASMR. So we have the Coldest Water. So this is what the packaging looks like, you guys. I don't think I need to bring it up to you guys. Like, I mean, you guys can see it, right? I'm hoping. So this is a premium white 20-ounce tumbler is what it is. And you get it on coldestwater.com. So this is a really nice packaging. We're going to go ahead and open it up. So it comes in a packaging like this. This is really nice. It's really cute. So what do we got here? Oh my gosh. It's got the Coldest Water on one side, and it also has, oh my gosh, this is crazy. It has Gemluva on there. That's my TikTok, Gemluva. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. I am ecstatic. I am so ecstatic. I don't know what to say. I did not expect that at all. This is crazy. It says my name on there. So it does have like where you can push the little top right there. And let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so that was pretty sturdy. I really do like this little flippy dealy right here. It's gonna be nice. Oh my gosh, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this right here. You can actually see what's in there, so you don't have to like open it up and be like, oh, what's in here? Hello, look at it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, wow. On the Gemluva is cold up to 36 hours supposedly, and also it's fully insulated, 2.0 lid technology, which keeps water colder longer, and also no sweat technology, because who likes to sweat? I don't like to sweat, that's honest. Fits in 99% of cup holders, bike racks, and cars. It has a rubber grip and a big handle for carrying, perfect size, not too big, not too small. So this one, it does not have it, but they do have several sizes that do have the handles on there. And also the durability is very strong and solid build. Fits big ice cubes. It is odor resistant. It also comes with a little brochure thingy on here. So this is what this looks like right here, and it has all the details and stuff like that in there, like the Coldest Water bottles. It'll show you like how what are the sizes and which ones you want. They have the Coldest ice packs also. Right here is where they have the Coldest ice pack, so that's cool. They have a Coldest pillow. They have a Coldest pillow right here. So the company, the CEO of this company is David, and they've been around for a while apparently. I have never heard of them. I guess they came around to my area and be like, hey, so they emailed me and let me know if I wanted to collaborate with them. You know what? I was so intrigued by that. And they give you a little stop before using, register your product for lifetime warranty, 10% off your next order of the Coldest bottle. This is a sticker, you guys. So all this stuff right here that they claim, I have not tried it out yet, but we're gonna try it out. So this is gonna be like the first part of the video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some ice and water in this and see how long it's gonna last us. So supposedly 36 hours, but we're gonna go ahead and check that out. I went ahead and I collaborated and said yes to them because only for the fact that I want to drink water. I drink a lot of Sprites. I drink a lot of things that are not good for me. But what I want to do is try and drink water and see, because I don't like water that gets like really warm. So I'm going to go ahead and see if this actually works. I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and put some water and some ice in here, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I did put water and ice in there. I don't know if you guys can hear it. So I'm going to leave this outside for like at least 24 36 hours. So we're going to go ahead and see how we did with this review on the next clip. Hi guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and I took a picture this morning at about 9 o'clock, somewhere right there. And I'm going to go ahead and put it right here of what it looked like. So anyways, that's what it looked like in the morning. It did have some condensation, and I'm going to be very, very honest with you guys. So to be honest, there was only one tiny little ice cube left. This is more like a tumbler. This is not the water bottle. The water bottle is the one that floats in the water. So this is not the water bottle. I'm going to go ahead and test the temperature on this water. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and remove this. A temperature gauge right here with me. Hopefully you guys can read that. So yeah, basically it's about 80 degrees in my room apparently. We're gonna go ahead and test this out and I will show you. So I'm just gonna slip it in there. Let's go ahead and slip that in there. And so we're waiting a couple seconds to see how cold this actually is, you guys. Like I said, I love giving my honest review, but please don't kill me, okay? Yes, I love this because when I took it out from outside, so it's about afternoon, late afternoon already since the last time that I did my very first clip or whatever. But yes, we're testing to see how well this did. And this was not sweating at all, so that's good. So that's good. It wasn't sweating. So Gemluva was still there. It's so cool. I love that my name is on there. So let's see how it's going already. Do 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 do. Are we almost there yet? So from what I can see right now, is, let's go ahead and look at the temperature. So I'm guessing that's where it's going to stop. It's not moving any further. So we got, it's about like 45, almost 50. Come on. So it says almost 50 degrees. All right, guys, so here's the other test that I really, really wanted to do. Let's go ahead and take a little sippy of this drinky. It's just pure water, guys. No worries. Let's go ahead and see how cold this is. That's actually cold at 50 degrees. So it's not extra cold where it'll make like my mouth frozen on the inside of my gullet. You know what I mean? Like your little dangly thing in the very, very back. Really, really love it. So yes, this is my honest opinion. Nobody else's opinion but mine. And I really, really want to thank the Coldest Water company. So if you guys want to get a hold of any of these, they do have a 21 ounce. So this is a 20 ounce. The 21 ounce is a water bottle with a lid, screw-on lid with the handle. And they also got a 32 ounce and it's bigger and insulated also, and the 64 ounce. So you guys can get a hold of these if you're really, really thirsty and want to keep your water cold. If you guys want to get a hold of these kind of products, go ahead and use my code right down here. I like to keep my drinks cold and my drinks really icy cold because that's the only way you can get me to drink water. Let me know what you guys think if you have one of these water tumblers or any water bottle, and let me know down in the comments below of what you thought about it. You know what, honestly, I'm gonna try and see if I can purchase me the pink water bottle. Hopefully I can do like an updated version of this video to show you guys what kind of bottle I got, and I'm really looking forward to owning more than one of these. Well, the tumbler, the 21 ounce, the 32 ounce, and the 64 ounce. So I'm gonna start collecting all of these, honestly. If you guys really, really like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever your decision or opinion is. That's the end of this video, you guys, and I will see you guys another time, you guys. Bye-bye.